Today, I'll show you how to easily set up price alerts on Coinbase in just a few simple steps. First things first, to get price alerts for any cryptocurrency, you'll need to add it to your watch list. Don't worry, it's super easy. Start by tapping the trade icon at the bottom of your screen. Then search for the cryptocurrency you want alerts for. Found it? Great. Now just tap on it and hit the star icon in the top right corner to add it to your watch list. Now let's set up those alerts. Go back to the home tab and tap the menu icon in the top left corner. From there, select profile and settings, then choose notification settings. You'll see an option for price alerts. Tap that and make sure both push and email notifications are turned on. That's all there is to it. Now you'll automatically get notified when your selected cryptocurrencies hit important price points. No more missing big market moves. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider